Assalamualaikum and a very good day to my lecturers and friends. In these assignments, we choose the College of Built Environment as our case study to find all the possible defects within the buildings. As a matter of fact, the faculty was established in July 1967 with an initial enrollment of 60 students under what was known as the School of Applied Arts.
It was later changed to the School of Art and Architecture and then was later known as the Faculty of Architecture, Planning and Surveying, FSPU.
Recently, FSPU has changed to the College of Built Environment, which is known as College Alam Bina, KAB.
So, for the defects that I found in this building, it has fine crack lines on the wall. For the symptom of the defects, as you can see here is the vertical crack lines, and here is the horizontal crack lines. Okay, for the vertical crack lines, it is approximately 240 cm. And the horizontal crack line, it is approximately 80 cm.
For the possible causes of this defect, it could be the settling wall foundation or the movement of frame materials on the wall. For the prognosis, the crack on the wall can be bigger in long period of time. Lastly, for the remedial works, firstly need to clean the wall surfaces by using a wire brush and then fill the crack lines with a plaster joint compound using a scraper and wait until it dries, and paint back the surface with the same paint color as it was before.
Next, the defect that I found in this area is the lamination. The symptoms is there is a separation of the concrete layer from an existing concrete surface. The possible causes is there is an excessive vibration that can cause the excess motor to the surface. Second, there might be the high shear stress due to massive weight loads such as the motorcycles, that part over here. The prognosis is the crack can be bigger in a long period of time.
We go on into the remedial methods. Firstly, remove all the bad concrete, prep it for the new concrete application. Secondly, properly keyed in edges will provide a strong hold at the edge. Third, installation on the surface with a high-strength concrete repair patch. And lastly, when it's complete, left to cure.
Lastly, this is the defect that we already found in this area, which is dam penetration. The symptom for this defect is the first one, dam patch appear on the wall, most growth as man, and last one is plaster and penetration and destroying paint. Possible causes of the defect happen because of the first one, poorly design. You can see the flat roof, and then the second one is because of the poorly maintained building. You can see the leaking of the water pipe. So it's causing the large amount of the rainwater flow over the small section of masonry. The prognosis for this defect is the unwanted moisture from the leaking pipe of downwater pipe enable to cross over of the mold in the column, causing the mold health issues and may eventually have to seek building serum. For the remedial work that we can do for the dam penetration defect, first one, we can find the source of dampness and install the gutter on the flat roof. Then we can stop the pipe leakage. The location needs to be traced correctly. The joint needs to be opened up and leak repaired. And then we can scrape off the dampness area and clean the area. For the last step, we can paint with the water repellent material.
In conclusions, from our visual observation, we observe that most of the area in the College Built of Environment has minor defects such as the lamination, dam penetrations, and vertical crack due to possible causes that has been explained. It is happened to be considered due to the age of this building. Overall of these three defects doesn't dangerous to the building occupant, but what we can do is the remedial work to prevent the defect from getting worse. The defect need to repair properly so occupants free from dangers that could result in harm to the building, occurring or continuing